There are very rare exceptions, but occasionally a driver actually gets something right for a change when I'm on the road. This guy was turning out of a parking lot and he wanted to get into the left turn lane. And when he did that, there happened to be a truck that was in the left lane, and yes, line is running around. He happened to be in the left lane and wanted to go into the turning lane, but the truck was just a bit too far back, so he was able to actually scoot back around and make a really wide turn, and he made it. Check this one out. Okay, what is it? What do you do? Really? Wow.
Why is he all the way over there?
And he fucking made it. Okay. Impressive.
What
Made the turn. I'm impressed.
Why didn't he just stay there till the truck moved? What the fuck?
Most often what I would end up seeing is the guy wouldn't make the turn or didn't have the depth perception that he needed in order to make the turn, and as such, he would end up having to put it in reverse and back up, and then other people would have to back up as well, and it just turns into this entire clusterfuck. But this guy actually got it right. I had to applaud him. What are you going to do? I mean, again, a much safer way would have been to just turn out, go to the next block, and turn around. But, you know, everybody's in a rush today. Everybody has to get there before you do. Everybody has to get there ahead of you so they can go to the same red light that you're going to be stuck at. Isn't that just wonderful? But this guy got it right, so I had to give him a small round of applause. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.